Good afternoon, children. Dear Madam, respected Sir, dear teachers and students. I stand here to talk about child abuse, the way the children, boys or girls, are treated in our place. So, girls and boys are very badly treated nowadays, and we can see some boys and girls very badly remaining or roaming on the roads also. So that type of children are very easily captured by the bad people who will be roaming on the roads. They'll be waiting to catch the prey. Prey means like how they can hold you people and then they can take you away and they can do anything with you people. So here as students, what you have to do is you have to be very careful when you are talking with elders or outside people or any strangers. So when you are talking with them or when you are moving with them, you have to be very careful. As children, you are all having a bright future. So that future has to be maintained in your life, so you have to learn some rules. So here you are going to learn the rules that how people are going to touch you. Irrespective of the age or caste or creed or any men or women, they like to touch you. So when they are touching you, you must be very careful. What intention they are touching you, also you must have the mind in it. So when you are speaking to elders, so when you are speaking to elders, you must talk very politely. But you must understand the intention of the other side of the people with what intention they are talking to you. Okay? So now we are going to see one small skit where the two children are going to say no. When they are going to say no, why they are going to say no, we are going to watch them.
Ravi lives. Ravi lives. Ravi lives in an apartment in a big city. He has many friends and he loves to play cricket with them. Sometimes Ravi. Ravi lives in an apartment in a big city. He has many friends and he loves to play cricket with them. Sometimes he likes to buy peanuts from the street seller. Ravi's best friend is Rani. Rani and Ravi like doing things together. They read, play, paint, sit together and listen to songs. Often they say the good things God has given them. One day Rani fell ill and Ravi did not have anyone to play with. All his friends were busy with project works and other things. Then Ravi saw peanut seller and was excited. He came to the street and wanted to buy some peanuts.
Peanuts. Wait, I want to buy 10 rupees peanuts.
He gives peanuts and holds Ravi's hand and rubs it. Ravi is shocked. He pulls his hand up and ran home. Next day, Rani and Ravi sitting on the bench.
Yesterday, I did not like the way of the peanuts and I held my hand. It made me scared and uncomfortable too.
It happened to me also.
It's working, continue.
It happened to me also, Ravi. Even I had an uncle who used to hug me in a way I don't like. It made me uncomfortable. I said him to stop and I told my mother as well. Since then, he didn't hug me. You must also speak to an elder person, Ravi. Would you like to talk to my mom? Ravi was scared that Rani's mother would be angry if he told her. He also thought that maybe what happened with the peanut seller was not important.
No, it's alright.
Don't be scared, Ravi. My mother can help you.
Okay, come let's go.
Then the both of them went near Rani's mother.
Is it how, Auntie? Like the peanut seller held my hand?
I am very glad to talk you about. Sometimes some people touch you, you did not like it, or you feel scared or unsafe. You have to say no.
The peanut seller held my hand.
Yes, exactly like that. You were scared, were you not? When he hold your hand and rubbed it, that is the time to say no. You know, sometimes some people touch you too much. Sometimes some people touch you too much. That is the time to say no. To both the children, you have to say no. And an elder or bigger person wants to touch your private body parts. You feel unsafe. Are you scared? That is the time to say no. Right time you came, Deepika.
Today I'm gonna sing a song for you both. Tell your mom, tell your dad if you are scared or if you are sad. Keep on telling till someone tells you I will help you. I'll surely help you. Tell your teacher, tell your friend till someone help you. You make this end too. Keep on telling I will help you, I'll surely help you. Just remember a simple rule. At your home, at your park or even at your school. Don't keep secrets, don't keep inside if you are sad. You have got nothing, just nothing to hide. If you are scared or if you are frightened, you should say no.
The children listened carefully to Rani's mother sing and repeated after her.
If we are scared or if we are sad, we will say no.
One day, Rani and Ravi were playing with marbles. Suddenly, one older and bigger boy came and he wanted to play with them.
Hi,
Hello, what's your name?
my name is Siu.
Would you like to play with us?
Yes.
Come, let's play. All the three are playing. After some time, the boy says something to them.
I know a new game. I know a new game. It is our own special secret. Don't tell to anyone about this game. It is called Yet Doctor Doctor. I will be the doctor and you both can be my patient. Come closer. I want to examine your body.
The children remembered Rani's mother had said and shouted, no, no, no.
No, no, no.
Both of them ran to Rani's home. Mother hugged both the children. Good girl, I am happy you told no. Always remember the song which we have listened and never be afraid to say no. Also remember when what happens was not your fault. If anyone elder or bigger person wants to touch you or scare you or trick you, I am so glad you told me this. Ravi and Rani felt much better and continued to play, and other children also joined them.
The children, you understood what the skit is about? So any stranger comes to you and he'll ask you to say something to you, or he wants to say something to you, and if he says it's a secret, if he says it's a secret, don't allow him to speak to you.
Silence. Teacher. Atla?
So, when any strangers come and ask you to play with them, or if they want to take you somewhere, please say no. Okay? If any strangers come and they like to be with you or spend time with you also, you have to say no. Okay. Now next we are going to see another skit. That is child marriage.
హాయ్
Stop this marriage. I don't want this marriage.
But why?
They are children. Their age is to go to school for education and playing games, not for marriage.
What are you talking, sister? Let them marry each other.
Why are you not understanding that the age is not for marriage? They should educate and make the future. And you know that doing child marriage it's a big crime, and the minimum age for the girls is 18 and for boys is 21. So you decide, you want this marriage or not?
Okay, they will not marry, and I will send my daughter to school for good education from today onwards, and I will make her future. Thank you.
Did you understand that skill? Is it correct? No. So the government of India has passed an act called Child Marriage Restriction Act. According to this, the marriage age for a girl is 18 years and for a boy 21 years. Right?
Take this. Take this.
No, we don't want.
Take. No, we don't want. Take this. No, we don't want this toy. That's hard. Take this. Take this. Come, we will go to park. Don't cry. Please, leave my hand. No. Shut up your mouth. Please, leave my hand. Please, leave my hand. Hello, boss. दो बच्चियां मेरे नाम पर स्टेशन पर 2 लाख रुपए लेंगे. ठीक है बॉस. ठीक है बॉस.
Children, stay quiet. We have got more to see. If you talk like this, no, we will not show all the skits for you. Now we are going to see what kidnappers did, you know. There are women kidnappers, men kidnappers also. they are going to kidnap girls and boys. Both they are kidnapping. So if anybody offers you any sweets or anything, don't accept them and don't fall into the prey of the kidnappers. So be careful when you do things outside on the road.
Have you lunch?
Yes.
What you ate?
No.
Why? No. Why come?
I don't. Don't tell me, father. No, father.
Next day. Hi mom, what are you doing here? Come.
No.
Come here, sit on my
Don't
lap.
touch me.
Don't feel shy, come here. Come. Come here, just. Come sit here.
No, Dad. Don't touch me, Dad.
Someone will then catch you, okay? Be careful. No one can save you.
Now children, this type of things happening in our vicinity also. We are seeing in the watching, we are watching in the TV or we are reading in the paper also. So how father is harassing the girl just because she is a daughter and he wants to play with her. So this type of anywhere you see or watch something, you have to report to the police people. Okay? Now what's the next?
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Sit down. What are you doing here? I'm learning. No, sir. I want to go and play.
The next day.
You will do for learning. Come here. Come. No, sir. I want to go and play. No, no. Come here.
Now listen children, this is how children are also not given proper education. What they are doing is, that is school sir it seems. It came in the paper. Have you read this? It came in the paper also and that the sir is put in the jail now. So sir has to give education to the children but he mustn't do like that. Okay? So when you come across this type of people, you have to say no.
Now you have to go to school.
Okay, mommy.
And Zainab, what are you doing?
Learning.
No, you have to wash the utensils and you are not going to school from today. Zainab, you have to prepare lunch for your brother. He will come home.
Okay. Hi, mommy.
Hello, beta. Come. Wash your hands.
Go.
Zainab, prepare lunch. Keep here. He will come and eat. Sit, beta. I bought for you something. Take this.
Me also, mommy.
Why for you, Zainab? Broom, sweep the house. Take the broom and sweep the house.
Mommy, it's not nice.
Leave that Zainab first. Come here. What you prepared? Take this and bring something. And go for sweeping.
I will go out with my friends.
Okay, bye beta. Take your time.
Hi, mommy.
Hello children. You understood that scripture? What did you observe in that scripture? So here, child education, we have to improve child education. Child means boys and girls both will come. But here the mother is only educating the boy. Okay? Thinking that he is going to help her in the future. But what is happening? The girls are not given the chance to go to school, or she can go outside and play also. So she is held up in the house and she has to do the housework. Is it good, children? No. Because girls also have right to live and they also have right to study also. They also have to be educated. Okay? Then we'll see the next thing. Stop. We got one more nice thing now. Wait for some time. Okay? Now, you understood what happened here? Yes. So, boys are teasing girls here. We have got girls also teasing boys. Yes, I've seen many times, but they are not showing here. Okay? So, girls must be in their limits. Now, this is because of the girls standing in the bus station, or the boy's intention is to talk to the girls. It may be anything. Okay? But what these two girls did was, they called the police people. When the bad people or the boys saw the policemen coming, what did they do? They ran away. So you must have whose number? Police people number you must have, your father number you must have, and some elders you must have. So that you will call them and you will be on the safe side. Okay?
Are you waiting for the bus or someone else?
It's none of your business. Get lost. The next day. Hi.
Hi. Fine, how are you?
I'm fine. What's your name?
My name is Rahul. What is your name?
My name is Amulya. Give your phone number.
25324663.
Next day we'll meet at park.
Bye. The next day at the
పెట్రోల్ బంక్ పోయి ఫోన్ చేయి
मिट्टी अगर लगाए कुड़ी ना मकीन पतला चलक तेरा लखन संभालनी वनिंग मिली नो लग दी कमाली वो इंदी कमाली वो या बुरा हाली तू आजा मेरे क्लोज मिलता ना मौका रोज आई वांट यू माय बेबी मुझे दे लव डोज तू आजा मेरे क्लोज मिलता ना मौका रोज आई वांट यू माय बेबी मुझे दे लव डोज
మైక్ పెట్టుకోవట్లేదు మైక్ పెట్టుకోవట్లేదు అమ్మాయి వద్దులే డబల్ ఎందుకు
Hello. Now listen all of you. You have friends. You have friends. Make them only friends. Okay? Not boyfriends. And going to parks or going to clubs or going to pubs. You know what's happening there? That girl is dancing. Like these girls, so many girls are there, boys are there. In those girls and boys, some good are there, some bad are also there. We can't tell. So this girl is going alone with that boy there. Already many people are there in the club or in this pub. Okay? They are drinking, they are addicted to the drugs. All these things are happening in the pub. But this girl is alone with that boy there. You read? Recently we have saw some item or whatever it is in the paper, newspaper, where only one boy and girl goes to one lonely place. This is a pub. But there what happened? Two other people they came and they took off that girl and they went away. And that poor boy, what he will do alone? He couldn't do anything. So he went home slowly. But here what happened? This girl, she's taken to some other place and then she's being sold off. He's a boyfriend. So you don't believe your friends. Only boyfriends, they say friends and they'll take you somewhere. But that time nobody will be there with you to rescue you. So what you must do? You mustn't go alone with any other stranger boys. Even though he is your friend, don't go alone. Okay? But that time what you have to say? No. What you have to say? No. Say very loudly. No. Okay, now listen to
Children, here are smart ways to keep yourself safe. You are the boss of your body. No one is allowed to hurt your body in any way.
back you go.
Private body parts. Private body parts. The parts of your body covered by your undergarment are your very own private body parts. It is never alright for someone to touch, talk about or look at your private body part except for health reasons. Hugs and kisses are nice, especially from people you like. But if someone asks you to keep it a secret, make sure you tell a grown-up you trust. Gifts. Sometimes people try and trick you by giving you sweets, money, gifts in return and do something that makes you feel uncomfortable, confused or unsafe. Refuse to do what they ask and don't take gifts they give you. Secrets are about touching are not okay. Always tell your trusted adult if someone tries to break this touching rule and ask you to keep it a secret. No. If someone tries to break this touching rule, it is very important to learn to use this word. Use it loudly. No. Shout and get away. Practice shouting because that's what you need to do when someone is trying to hurt you or touch you in a way you don't like or which makes you feel confused, scared or uncomfortable. Tell. If you are worried, confused or scared by the way someone touches you or makes you feel, tell a grown-up you trust about it. If the person you tell doesn't help you, then tell someone else. And keep on telling you till you get the help you need. Some examples of grown-ups are, you may want to tell our parents, teachers or grandparents. It is never your fault. It is never your fault when someone breaks the touching rule to hurt you. And sometimes, even if you can't say no or get away or are too afraid to tell, always remember to think no, that you did not ask to be hurt and it is not your fault. Think no and tell when you can't.
Jahangir. Hello?
Smart ways to keep myself safe. No one can touch me and ask me to keep it a secret. If somebody touches me and asks me to keep it a secret, I must tell a grown-up. And I must keep telling till someone helps stop the secret touching. My body belongs to me. Thank you.
Child abuse doesn't mean only physical abuse. It also includes emotional abuse. How many of you have email IDs? Show your hands. Ready? Be honest, show. I want to tell you some safety rules when you are using your computer. Come on. How many of you have email IDs? None of you? No? How many of you have Facebook accounts? Show your hand. See, be quiet. Be quiet. How many of you have Facebook accounts? Don't feel shy. Okay. You have to follow certain safety measures when you are using your computer. Okay? The First one is set your profile to private. Set your profile to private. Your personal information will be kept as a secret. Right? That is number one. Number two, avoid opening messages from strangers. If you open the messages, sometimes you might get a bad and a dirty message. Okay? So avoid opening messages from strangers. Third one, be careful of whom you make friends online. Okay? What is that? You should be very careful when you are making friends online. Next one, keep your password safe. That's very, very important. Keep your password safe. Even to your cousin or to your closest friend, you should not reveal your password. If you reveal, what happens, you know. Right? Be quiet. In case someone posts pictures or comments that you are not comfortable, immediately inform your parents. Don't feel shy to inform. Did you understand what I said? And lastly, you know what is meant by cyberbullying? What is the meaning of cyberbullying? Constantly sending messages, bad messages, showing obscene pictures and all. So, if cyberbullying persists, save the evidence. Listen carefully. You have to save the evidence, keep a record of messages, and file a complaint with that particular website, right? Or call cyber cell or inform the police. In that way, you can keep yourself safe. Thank you.
Listen, children. All of you pay attention. Now last part of it we have come. You can see this picture, children? You can see the picture? Yes. Afterwards you can see the picture. We'll keep it here. Okay? Now this picture also is very important for you. You can see this picture here. We'll keep it here. Okay. Now just I want to read. You have the right to feel safe all the time. Which time? All the time. About who? About yourself. About yourself. You have to be very careful. Okay? Now this is because we are asked to tell about child abuse. We have taught you some points how best you can keep yourself free. Okay? You have to keep yourself free from strangers. You have to keep yourself free from bad people. You have to keep yourself free from kidnappers. Lady or men, both are their kidnappers. Okay? And when you are selecting friends, please select good friends. Okay? Those friends who have the fear of parents, those who have the fear of God, and those who are very much interested in studies. If you select this type of students, your future will be very bright. So all that is we are going to tell you is you have the right to live. So last few days back I got one complaint. You know what the complaint is? Now there is one mother and daughter. The daughter is very good. She said she didn't do any mistake. But what happened, you know? The mother says that girl only is very bad. क्या करना माँ ये बच्ची से? She's asking. क्या करना बच्ची से? I told her you sit with her, talk to her, encourage her to do something good. Then the mother is saying I can't do माँ. हो गया इसको छोड़ देंगे. हो गया छोड़ देंगे means what? It's her daughter, no? What she must do? She has to encourage her. She has to speak to her in good manners so that she'll feel free to express. Anything happens on the road, anything happens in the school, whom you must tell? Parents. Whom you must tell? Parents. share with elders or you can share with the teachers. Teachers will help you. Parents, if they are not helping, come to teachers. We have so many teachers here. Madam also is there. We all of us will help you. Anyway, we'll help you. Okay? So any problem with you on the road or in the school, you have to get counseling. We are going to counsel you, we'll help you, and then we'll see that you will have a better and bright future. God bless you, children.